Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will be discussing one more topic related to PySpark. In the last video, we have seen about the windowing functions like the rank, dense rank, row number, and other windowing functions. In this particular video, we will be talking about the complex data structures like the list and the set. So how exactly you can go ahead and do some transformations with the help of the list and the set. So in this video, we will focus on specific data structure, which is the collect list method and the collect set method. What exactly is the collect list and what exactly is the collect set method? So without getting into delay, let's dig into the practical and let me explain you what exactly is a collect list and a collect set. So in this, I have a table which has names and which has the languages. So if we look at the data set, we have names as James, Anna, and Maria. So each name is having different languages. So let's say they are learning different languages like Java, Python, PHP, JavaScript, C++, Scala. So James is learning these languages. Anna is learning PHP and JavaScript. Maria is learning Java and C++. And again, Anna is learning PHP and HTML. So what is our requirement here? Our requirement is to go ahead and give a list of languages that James is learning and the list of languages that Anna is learning and the list of languages that Maria is learning. So we will have basically three rows here with each name, and we will have one more column stating the language, which language each particular student is learning. So James is learning these many languages, Anna is learning these many languages, and Maria is learning these many languages. How we can achieve this? Using the help of the method called collect list that is present in the PySpark. Now, if you will go ahead and look at this particular table very carefully, you will see Python is written twice here, right? So we don't want to go ahead and duplicate the records. What we want is James is learning only three language, that is Java, Python, and Scala. But here we have three records: Java, Python, and Scala. So we want to eliminate the duplicate and just keep Java, Python, and Scala, right? So how we can do it? We can do it with the help of this collect set method. So you can remove one duplicate record from here and put it. Similarly for Anna, there are two times PHP is written, so we will keep it one. So that is done with the help of collect set method. So let's go to our Databricks notebook and let's see how we can use this particular collect list and collect set method. So in this particular, I have my Databricks notebook ready. I have attached this particular notebook with my cluster, which is running under 12.2 LTS and Scala 2.12 version. So I'm first creating some data, the same data, with the help of my create data frame method and with the help of this schema called name and languages. If you don't know how to create the data frame from the list, go ahead and watch my previous video in which I've explained you how to create data frame in different methods. This method that we are using is our list method. Now, once you create the data frame, you can go ahead and display the data frame here, which is my name and language. I'm also printing the schema basically to go ahead and show you what data type we have and how the schema looks like. So we have a root in which I have my name and languages. That is my two columns, and both of them are string. Now, let me go ahead and import some functions like my collect list and collect set. How I can do it? With the help of my pyspark.sql.functions. Now, using this, I will be going ahead and grouping the data. First, what I will do is I will group the data on the basis of my name. So I'll group the data on the basis of my name and then I will put it in a list format. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a group by operation and I'm doing a name, and here I will be putting my collect list aggregation method on what column I want the collect list. It's the language, and I'm providing an alias language to it. So if I run this particular command, then it will give me the result James. In this James, I have these languages. Anna is learning these languages, right? So each name is grouped, and then we are calculating the aggregation on the basis of the languages, and it is put inside the list format. Therefore, we are using collect list. You can think of or just remember like you are collecting all the data inside a list. So therefore, it's called collect list. Now, the next is, let me go ahead and print the schema. So if you will see, the name is one column, language is my another column. But inside my language, what is the form of this data? It's an array, right? So this array, it's printing here, the languages is an array, but each element of this array is what? It is a string. So we are putting here element here is my string. So each language is an array data type, and each element is basically a string. So this is my schema. Now let's go ahead and check out with our collect set. What does set means? Set means it's going to remove the duplicate records from your list or from your data set, right? So it's the same thing. You are grouping your data by name and you are aggregating all the data on the basis of the name for your languages. So all your languages are collected at one place in the format of the set, and you are grouping that data in the name. So it's again, it's collecting all the data in a list format, but it is a set. That is, the duplicate records have been removed. Now, if you will see, it is a list. The square bracket indicates that it's a list, or you can say it's an array. But here you see Java and Python. Python is not appearing twice, it's just appearing once. It means it has removed the duplicates. Similarly, for PHP, it's only once. If you go to the top here, Python was twice for James, so we have removed one. And for Anna, PHP was twice, so we have removed one record and we have kept only one record. Now let me check the print schema for this particular thing. So I have my name, I have my language. Again, my language is what? Array type. And what is my element? Element is again my string type. So this is a very useful method if you are dealing with complex data structure, and if you are putting your data into your staging table or your final fact table, and the users who are using your data is basically a data engineer, then they will be able to understand this particular data type, and they can go ahead and do some manipulation or use that data set very efficiently. But if in case you have your consumer who are not data engineers, they are stakeholders who don't have much idea about the complex data structures, then it's beneficial to explode this particular data set and put it in individual rows. How you can do an explode functionality, I have explained you in the previous video. I'll put that link in the I button. You can watch it as well. So if I show you, basically this is my playlist in which I've explained you everything. If you go to your playlist and you can go to the Spark Basic to Advanced, here I've explained everything starting from how you can flatten the complex JSON and how you can select the columns from that particular JSON as well. And you can also see there are some more functionalities I've explained you. You can go ahead and watch them as well to get better understanding related to PySpark. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.
Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.